Hello, guys. It's me. I'm Juan Diego. For those of you who don't know me, I trade. It's been like I don't know 4 years, maybe. Yeah, almost 5 years since 2017. I began trading. Then I quit trading for around 3 years, and I began again last year. So I'm taking my first this is actually my fourth challenge in my Forex Funds. I'm still learning the new ways to trade. I used to trade with Elliott Waves, and now I'm trading with the smart money. And yeah, I got a trading plan. It's been developed for around 4 months, maybe, and I feel really comfortable with it. And yes, I'm gonna. This is my first video. I'm taking the $50,000 challenge, and yes, let's begin. In this video, we are gonna do two things. First, show you my account, which is this is the yeah, portal. Maybe it's the word. I'm Peruvian, Spanish speaker here, so excuse my bad English. Yes, so this is my account. I took two trades. I twin trade 1/4 of my account, of my position, sorry, and the other is 75%. So I lost. I took two losses last week on Friday, and I also want to show you my plan. This is my plan. It's in Spanish, but let me translate it to you. So I'm an intraday trader, which means I close the same day, most of my positions on the same day, or maybe the next one, but mostly the same day. I operate. I take trades during the New York kill zone, and get began. I begin charting 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after the New York session. The New York kill zone session. I trade EU and Aussie dollar. Well, my trading rules: I risk point dot 30% in each position for each trade. Sorry, and I took a maximum of 3 trades per day between smart money and supply demand, which I actually do. I ended up mixing both of them. I not operated trades until 2 days before are cumulative, which means that, for example, if I took one trade on Monday, I got two more trades, summing up to my other 3 trades for Tuesday, and the same goes to Wednesday. I always try to go along with the 4 hour trend. This is a new rule I set since last week's losses, which yeah, it may be surprising, but it was on these losses that I realized, no man, I need this rule. Too many losses because of the same things, not trading along with the trend. Well, I take two twin trades, as I told you before, 75% and 25%. The minimum RR I look for is 1 to 5. My stop goes from 1.5 pips to 4 pips, and this 25% below the inferior limit or supply demand zone is something I'm gonna explain with the charts. Okay, I'm gonna do it right away. So imagine if I'm waiting for price to come to this zone and I wanna take a trade in this zone, I place my trade. In this case, a buy limit 25% below the open of the zone. Yeah, right here, and 25% below, which would be 12.3. The double is 12.6. Yeah, right here, 25% below. I don't trade in the middle, in the 50%, which means the zone is completely balanced. I prefer the 25%. I learned it that way, so yeah, that's my way of trading. If you listen to some salsa around the house, it's because, man, we are Latinos. We love salsa, and I love salsa. Yeah, 25% below the supply limit. My TP goes to, in case I'm counter trading, which I I try not to do, but sometimes I see really good opportunities, very well set. Then I trade till to the next supply demand zone. In case I'm pro trend, I target the week high or low of a structure. If I'm trading a range, then I go to the limit of that range. My rules of entry are first analyzing the structure and the POIs. Structure is this, setting my break of structures, yeah. And let me show you these dots over here. The yellow one means daily high, daily low, daily high, broke, daily structure, and the blue dots are the 4 hours, is the 4 hour structure. So you see, we are still going up. Alcista means yeah, going up is alcista. And yeah, bullish. And the green one is the 15 minute, which is over here. I didn't mark it up here because it's ranging, you know. And well, I know that I'm still going up. What else? So I analyze that, set find POIs like this one. This is a 4 hour. Here's a 15 minute. And after that, well, I look for a mitigation. Price coming down to that zone to the, yeah, mitigate a POI. Then a change of character, a BOS, break of structure, then a flip. I'm gonna show you all this in a trade. Inducement, which means liquidity, and the price sweeping that inducement, and looking if I'm in a premium discount range in that 15-minute left, in case I'm trading 15 minutes, which I almost every time do. About confirmation, well, liquidation, what I told you about the inducement. Then I mark it up. Okay, I find liquidation. Is this mitigating? In case it is, nice. Then if a V shape, optional. I look for a flip, and I place the limit in the decisional in my first and second situation, or the mitigation in the third one if it was yeah, in the third one, or if there is a strong imbalance in price. These are my three situations. This is not mine. This is from Tricky. Tricky is an educator from Phantom FX. So shout out to them. I learn from them. They are really good traders. You can go there. They are not paying me anything, of course. I'm 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 not even famous in the YouTube world, so this is sincere. Yeah, wanna see the three situations? These are them. First one, if the low is respected, you know, price comes down to a 15-minute, 4 hour POI, and if there's an inducement of the type of double bottom, then I will enter in the flip. in what caused the flip. In case there's an inducement of just one low, you know, well, the first thing is that there must be a BOS, and after that, the sweeping of that inducement, I enter also in the flip. In case there is no inducement, apparently there is no inducement before, then the inducement becomes the flip becomes the inducement. So I enter the trade in the mitigation of the whole leg. Those are my three scenarios, and yes, now my exit rules are: I move the stop of the whole position to break even when I reach 1 to 5, or if there's an important break of structure. In case I'm counter trading, then I don't move the stop loss because price usually comes to mitigate the zones. When I reach 1 to 4 in RR, I close that 25%. So in case I'm counter trading and the price comes touches my stop loss, I didn't lose a penny because I'm closing that 25% when I reach 1 to 4. So 25, 4 times 25% is 100%. I don't lose or win anything. When I reach the last TP, I close the other 75%, and I trailing stop with 15-minute structure with the other. In case I don't usually trade. I don't use this rule anymore. I just let it stay here because yeah, maybe I would reconsider it in the future, but I don't have this rule in my trading anymore. And my objectives, always have your objectives, people, are 3% weekly and 12% monthly. Why this? Because in my forex funds, your overall drawdown is 12%. So if I'm risking 12%, at least I'm looking for getting a one-to-one, which would be 12%. Yes, why? No, yeah, that's all. That's everything, people. That is everything. The other trades, my trades of this week. Well, this is my account. Yeah, this is the first video, an introduction, and the second video of the week. We are analyzing last week's trades, and my week officially began the 24th. Today is Monday 27th, so I'm still theoretically during my first week, but technically this is I'm analyzing last week's trades, which were only two trades on Friday. Where am I? Friday the 24th, when my week officially began for my forex funds. You began your challenge in the moment you place your first trade. And yes, that's it, guys. Yep, gonna show you my trades